A gunfight erupted between Indian Army and armed Kuki militants in Bishnupur district last night. The gun battle, which lasted for around 30 minutes, started after suspected Kuki militants opened fire at an army post in Phougakchao along Ikhai at around 11:40 p.m. last night. According to Manipur Police, Indian Army and the 58th Battalion of Central Reserve Police Force deployed in the area responded swiftly by returning fire towards the source, a general area of Phougakchao or Gothol. Following the gunfight, a combined search operation was launched by the Army, CRPF, Police and Indian Reserve Battalion (IRB) in the area where the firing took place and the adjoining hill areas today. Manipur Police also informed that the situation is being closely monitored and security forces will be continuing operations in the surrounding hill areas. It further urged civilians to refrain from spreading rumors and to verify information before sharing.